Hi, I'm Sally Cabrera. I'm 15 years old and I'm from the Lee County 4-H Cultures and Young Commissioners Club.
Carlos Brown and I'm 8 years old and I'm part of Crazy Culture.
So this side of the LED is, or this side is longer than that side. So this side is going to be the positive side. So you're going to peel these up. You're going to want to remember which side, because it gets tricky. You're just going to want to place it the positive side to the positive side, and the negative side to the negative side. So you want to go ahead and do that with this one.
4-H is a youth community with programs that suit a variety of backgrounds, interests, budgets, and schedules. From in-school to after-school, clubs to camps, 4-H's positive youth development programs are here in Lee County, and we welcome children who want to have fun, learn, and grow. If you enjoyed today's activity, we hope you'll check out all that Lee County 4-H has to offer at lee.ces.ncsu.edu.